completed the pricing insight workshop that Ron Wood facilitated. It's actually just a great opportunity to sort of think through the way that you approach pricing in your organisation, to look at the habits that the organisation has formed, look at the opportunities that pricing presents, and then to look at that culture shift that potentially starts to move the needle on some of these opportunities. It's great to have, up to 30 people in a room talking about pricing in a structured way and getting everyone opening up and really getting a good feel of where the business is at.
Although we know we're the market leaders and we do have a premium price, it's about how can we show our customers that value, and it's been very valuable for us around the gaps that we have in our strategy and what we need to do for our next steps.